Today I'm installing the drawer rails into the IKEA kitchen cabinets. This install is for the 2 drawers and an inner or hidden drawer. First step is to find your drawer configuration in the instructions provided by IKEA. For this demo, the rails will be attached at holes 2, 13, and 21. With the rail locations determined, mark the lowest rail's location first. Next, count the number of holes for the brackets attaching at 13 and 21 and mark the locations front and back. Quick note, the bottom rails attach with the screws going through the rail's upper holes. Also, cabinets with the normal fitting drawers, the rails start in the frontmost holes. With the first rail attached, time to move on to the next ones. Unlike the bottom rail, the upper 2 rails attach with the screws going through the lower holes. To attach the rails, first insert the front screw and the back screw. To insert the 3rd screw, move the drawer glide forward. For the inner drawer, the rails are started on the 2nd set of vertical holes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment.